Hello and welcome back to eCloudBuddy YouTube channel, where we provide you with tips and tricks to help you with tech and help you succeed in your online business. In this video, we will be discussing how to make money online with Canva templates. Watch this video till the end to get the amazing bonuses that you can use and start making an income online within a week. As you already know, Canva is a popular graphics design tool that offers a wide range of templates for businesses and individuals to use. These templates can be used for various purposes, from creating social media graphics to designing resumes and business cards. Let's see how you can use Canva templates to make money and grow your online business. And let's see how we can create custom templates. So if you have graphic design skills already, you can create your custom templates and sell them on various platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or even on your website. With Canva, you can create templates for social media graphics, presentations, business cards, resumes, and more. You just need a bit of creativity to make them unique and useful for your clients. You can use Canva's drag and drop feature to add your unique design elements, colors, and fonts to your templates. Once you have created your templates, you can sell them and start making money. Next, let's talk about creating templates for specific niches. One way to make money with Canva templates is to create templates for a specific niche. For example, if you are interested in the fitness industry, you can create templates for workout plans, meal plans, progress trackers, gym sessions, and more. Similarly, if you are interested in the beauty industry, you can create templates for skincare routines, makeup looks, and hair care routines, and more. With Canva, you can customize your templates to fit the needs of your specific niche. Once you have created your templates, you can go ahead and register on one of the platforms like Etsy, Shopify, Gumroad, etc. and sell these templates there. By creating niche-specific templates, you can attract a more targeted audience and increase your chances of making a sales. Now, let's talk about creating templates for events. Events are another great way to make money with Canva templates. You can easily create templates for events like weddings, birthday parties, baby showers, and more. You can create templates for invites, save the date cards, menus, and thank you cards, etc. You can even create greetings around different festivals like Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, New Year, and more. With Canva, you can customize your templates to match the theme and colors of the event. The next way that you can use custom templates is for social media. These are in demand with a lot of online businesses. Any new business needs a social media presence, and they are always on a lookout for social media posts, their Instagram stories, highlight covers, Facebook posts, and more. You can easily utilize Canva to create custom templates around them and make an income using that. You can register on a freelancing platform like Fiverr or Upwork and start making money from there. With Canva, you will be easily able to match the branding and aesthetics of your social media account. You can easily sell these templates on Etsy, Shopify, or your website too. There is another way you can utilize custom templates using Canva, and that is by creating print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand products are products that are designed, created, and shipped by a third-party supplier. You can create templates for products like t-shirts, which are in high demand, phone cases, and bags, etc., and sell them on print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful. With Canva, you can customize your templates to fit the product specifications of the print-on-demand platform. Once you have created your templates, you can upload them to the print-on-demand platform of your choice and start earning money from sales. You can try the print-on-demand options available with Canva or on Amazon and Etsy too. Alright, so there you have it. These were the various ways you can make money with Canva templates. Remember, the key to success is creating templates that are visually appealing, high quality, and relevant to your audience. Make sure to research and understand the needs of your audience and create templates that fulfill those needs. Great, thanks for sticking till the end. It's time for the amazing bonus. Simply click on the link in the description and I'll send you 5 most profitable YouTube niches along with income proof to start your YouTube channel. The second bonus that you will get is an affiliate marketing course to generate at least 10K every month. The third amazing bonus that I'm going to provide you with is a surprise. Simply click the link, send me your details, and get the amazing bonuses. So that's it for today's video. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and we'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to succeed in your online business.